Hey guys, I'm Katie. So today we're going to be doing 3 really cute, fun, kawaii DIYs. So here are your names on the screen if you commented that I should do kawaii DIYs. And so yeah, I did my nails. Do you like them? Anyway, let's get into the video. So for the first DIY, you will need some felt. You also need some stuffing. You can also use some spare fabric. Then you also need a hot glue gun or some fabric glue, or you can sew it, but I'm not bothered to do that. You also need a scissors, and I'm pretty sure that's about it. So yeah. So I'm going to be making a ice cream plushie thing. So I just cut out this shape for the actual ice cream scoop. 2 of these, so we can stuff it.
I didn't have enough yellow fabric, together to make a full ice cream cone shape, so I had to cut off a bit of each.
Then I have my stuffing here, which I will stuff with it. Then I made some little purple sprinkles, and of course the little eyes and the mouth. I tried to paint on little highlights in the eyes with some Tipp-Ex, and it sort of worked. So then all you need to do, if you're even using this as a tutorial, is hot glue everything together. And then you also need to stuff it. So here it is. I think it's really cute, and obviously it's kawaii, so it's 10 times cuter. So for the second DIY, that's 4, why am I doing that? For the second DIY, what you need is any tape you want. I'd recommend the clear tape rather than Scotch tape because it just looks better. A scissors, some paper. I'm using this notebook. Something to color with, like my Copic markers. And finally, a piece of baking paper so the sellotape can peel off easily. So, funny story, I actually forgot that I was doing kawaii DIYs, and I decided to make a subscribe button instead of a kawaii thing. I don't know what I was thinking, but I still made a kawaii sticker in the end after I remembered that I'm doing kawaii DIYs and not normal DIYs. So then, after I realized, I made a cute kawaii, I guess you could say, ice cream. I call them ice lollies. Some people call them popsicles. I don't know. But it's cute. By the way, I have a full tutorial on how to make stickers, if you want an actual, good tutorial on it. So, I'll link that down below. Guess what you can do with stickers? You can stick them onto things. Who thought of that? I don't know. Wow. But, you should subscribe. You know, the dog says so yeah. So for this last DIY, you will need some paint and a paint palette if you want to use one of them. You also need a hot glue gun because guns are legal everywhere now. I'm joking. Don't play with guns, kids, okay? You also need some baking paper. And finally, a choker or a necklace. And if you don't have a piece of baking paper, you can just use any surface that it'll come off of, like this. Then you can just remove it when it's actually dry. Ouch. Damn it. There we go. So here's another fail for you to show you that DIYers are not perfect people. So I was going to originally do like a trendy Starbucks cup thing, but then when I started painting, it just did not work out. So after that sort of disaster, I just decided to do a kawaii donut. If you didn't see last week's video, then you wouldn't know that I'm like in the middle of doing up my room, and this is where I paint. So yeah, let's paint. So then all I'm really doing is painting this kawaii donut. You don't have to make it a donut, but I did. And here I'm just mixing up a brown color. Well, I was trying to mix up a brown color, but it somehow ended up being teal. So then I found a smaller pot of brown paint, and then I painted it. And since I didn't want to waste the teal paint, I used it in a galaxy painting, and I let you watch. You're welcome. So I hope you like that. It's very textured and abstract and beautiful. Also, if you want more painting tutorials by me, you can watch my playlist that I made called Painting Tutorials by Me. And then, since I made a mess, I had to clean up. Damn it. Oh, wow. So, all I'm really doing is painting this, and I'm very impatient, so I kept trying to make this donut look good as fast as possible. And I messed it up quite a few times actually, and had to do it again. And damn you, acrylic paint, for messing up my hands, but it's okay. And here it is. It's cool. You should make it. And if you want more kawaii DIYs, then you should check the link below for my rainbow DIYs video, because I made 2 different kawaii DIYs there. So, yeah.